Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Mitsubishi Outlander app. First, download the Mitsubishi Connect app from your device's app store. Make sure your vehicle's infotainment system is powered on and ready. You'll also need your Mitsubishi Connect account login information handy to proceed with the setup. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and quick connection process for all features. Once the app is installed, open it and look for the Add Vehicle or Pair Device option. You will then be prompted to enter your vehicle's VIN number. Ensure it is typed correctly. The app will guide you through a few simple steps on your phone and possibly your car's screen to finalize the pairing. This step links your specific Outlander to your personal app account. After pairing, it's important to confirm your Mitsubishi Connect subscription status within the app settings. This ensures all features are active. Next, enable any desired remote services, such as remote start, door lock and unlock, or climate control, directly through the app. Finally, test one of these features to verify that the app is successfully communicating with your Outlander. If you encounter issues, first check your phone's internet connection and ensure your vehicle has a good cellular signal. Often, simply restarting the app and your Outlander's infotainment system can resolve minor glitches. For persistent problems, consult the in-app help section or Mitsubishi support. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to enhance your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.